Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today we have an Ulta haul. I'm so excited to share all these goodies with you. Before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's haul. I'm gonna go ahead and start with some blushes that I picked up. So the first thing that I picked up was this Milani blush. I actually have a review already up on my channel for it. I will link it down below. But this is the color Nude Kiss right here. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. So this is the color Nude Kiss. I'm super excited for you to check out the review that I have for it. But this is the color. So that's the first item I picked up. Sticking with blushes, I actually picked up one from e.l.f. as well. This is in the color Turks and Caicos. This is what the color looks like right here. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. I believe this was around $6. So that's the Turks and Caicos. And this is the one from Milani in Nude Kiss. So pretty. I also went ahead and picked up a blush, but this is in a powder format. And this is by Rimmel. This is the Maxi blush in the color Third Base. I think this pan is a super nice size for it. It's a lot of product. So this is what the color looks like. This is more of a lighter pink shade right here. I'm not sure how that's gonna work out on my skin tone, but we will try it out. It looks very pretty. This was around $4 or $5, so very nice. Speaking with the Rimmel stuff, I actually picked up this bronzer as well. This is in the color Sun Dance. And this, guys, just brought like super amazing memories from back then, like years ago, maybe 10 years ago. These that have this little lid brings back so many good memories. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. This is what it looks like. I've already used it. This is what the color looks like right here. So this is the Rimmel blush and this is the bronzer right there. So pretty. It has a little bit of sparkle in there, but I saw that this specific color was like almost sold out. So I went ahead and picked up this one in Sundance. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. It brings back so many good memories. So I did pick up a couple lip products as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. And the very first one is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It looks like this. This is called the Hydrating Core Lip Shine in the color Lovely. This is what the color looks like. So pretty. It feels super hydrating on the back of my hand right there. I absolutely think this is a gorgeous color. It also has a little heart in the center. I'm guessing that's the hydration portion of this. These lip shines look promising, so I will keep you updated on those. Next up by NYX, I went ahead and picked up this gloss. This is called the Milk Gloss or the Milky Gloss, and I got the shade Moody Peach. So pretty, kind of the same shade as the e.l.f. one. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So right here is the shade for Moody Peach. It's a very glossy and pretty. Last but not least, for lip stuff, I actually picked up this lippy stick in the color Topanga. And it's in a cream. I don't remember the last time I tried a lippy stick. So this is what the color looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you. So right here is the swatch for the lippy stick. Super creamy and pigmented as well. So you see, I kind of have a vibe going on right here. Some of these shades look very similar, like the e.l.f. and the lippy stick, except for the pigmentation, because this is more of like a shiny lip color and this is a cream formula. But I'm super excited to have these in my collection and try them out. They look perfect for spring and summer coming up. Next up, I actually picked up two new hydrating mists because I'm so into like hydrating your skin, taking care of your skin and all of that comes with it. So I went ahead and picked up the Pretty Fresh setting mist. This setting mist has hyaluronic acid, which is known to hydrate the skin, and also coconut water, which is also known for hydration and plumpier looking skin. It looks so pretty. Sticking with the setting mist, I went ahead and picked up this Milani Fruit Fetish setting mist right here. I picked up the scent Mango Coconut. This looks so amazing in the bottle. It reminds me of a tropical vacation. Let's go ahead and spray some. It smells fantastic. It smells like coconut. So if you're into that scent, go ahead and pick this up. I went ahead and picked this one up because Juicy Jazz always mentions these in her YouTube videos. So I was intrigued and I went ahead and picked one up for myself. Now, I also picked up a few like face products. So let's start off with this Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation, which looks like this. I've actually used it already. I picked this up in the shade Medium 110 Warm. So this is what it looks like. So I had to pick this up. I've seen it all over Instagram and YouTube. So I wanted to try it out for myself. With that, I also picked up the Pretty Fresh concealer. And I picked mine up in the color medium 90W or medium 90 warm. I had to pick up the Pretty Fresh concealer just to pair with the foundation. So this is what it looks like. I'm very excited about new face products. They're just my jam as well. And I had to pick up another concealer. This is actually the Juvia's Place concealer. And it is I Am Magic concealer. I went ahead and picked mine up in the shade 16 right here. I've heard many great things about it, so I had to go ahead and pick one up for myself. So while at Ulta, this caught my eye, and this is by Makeup Revolution. This is a super dewy blurring balm compact. This is the packaging of the outside, and this is what the compact looks like. It can be used as a mattifying base before makeup application or as a touch-up on top of makeup to blur pores and reduce shine. It does contain a mirror, but this is what the little balm looks like. So I'm super excited to try out this product and to see if it actually blurs my pores, because Lord knows I have a lot of those. I've also heard so much rave about this Kiss lash glue and eyeliner in a one. I was so intrigued by this, so I had to pick this up. This is in the color black. It's a matte finish, foolproof, and easy touch-ups. I have always had such a hard time trying to put on fake lashes on, so I hope this makes the process so much easier. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks just like a basic black eyeliner. I can't wait to try it out so that I can apply lashes that much quicker. Now, I did not pick this up at Ulta because they had run out, but I actually picked this out at CVS, and this is the Sky High mascara. There has been so much rave about this mascara all over the internet, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, so I want to try it out for myself as well. So I went ahead and picked this up at CVS because that's the only place I could find it, but I thought I would include it in this haul. And last but not least, my friends, is some skincare. I have a lot of rosacea on my cheeks. I do have breakouts here and there. So my skin is a little bit all over the place at times. So I heard so many good things about this product right here. This is by the brand, and I hope I do not say this horribly wrong. So my apologies beforehand. I believe it's La Roche-Posay. I could be wrong, but this is what the brand is called. But I heard great things about this cream, so I went ahead and picked one up for myself. I want to add this in the rosacea area, which is my cheeks and right here on my forehead. So I had to go and pick this up at Ulta for myself. But while there, I actually saw this hydrating gentle cleanser. So my skin goes through a lot, and I want to hydrate my skin, but I also want it to be super gentle on my skin. So I went ahead and picked this one up as well. Hopefully it works out for me, but I'm super excited to try this out. And last but not least, I went ahead and picked up this clarifying solution as well by the same brand. This was also around the $15 mark. And this has some salicylic acid, and it's an acne medication. So I kind of want to use this to replace any scrubs, because scrubs really irritate my skin. I cannot use scrubs for the life of me anymore. So I went ahead and picked this one up because in the back it does say that it is a clarifying solution that gently exfoliates and clears clogged pores and smooth skin. So hopefully it does what it claims, and hopefully my skin is looking a little better in the near future. So I went ahead and picked up those goodies. All right, my friends, and that is it for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed all these little goodies that I picked up. If I've tested some of these products already, I will make sure to link them down in the description box below. If I haven't, just keep an eye out for those videos coming very soon. I'm so grateful for you, friends. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.